Tickle, 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 tickle.
So like if I want to like download I could take my chip out of my camera and my toaster or Christmas dinner and whatever.
If I wanted to take certain pictures off of here, I just go to that picture and put a disc in.
Yeah,
And then I copy that picture.
yeah, you'll highlight the ones that you want to burn to a CD. It'll say